Home maintenance is crucial for ensuring the longevity and functionality of your home living space. Regularly inspecting your home will help identify potential issues before they become major problems. Some key tips include checking and cleaning your gutters to prevent water damage, regularly changing HVAC filters for optimal air quality, inspecting and sealing windows and doors to enhance energy efficiency, and testing smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms to ensure safety. Additionally, scheduling a professional home maintenance inspection every few years can comprehensively evaluate your home's condition, highlighting any hidden issues that may require attention. You can maintain a safe and comfortable home environment for years by staying proactive with your home maintenance and inspection.